Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento. So in the previous video, we have changed the path, admin path from the config file. Now we are going to do it with the CLI. So let's check how we are going to achieve it. So here we have the command like php bin magento setup config backend frontend URL admin path. You can make it admin. I will put it admin test. Okay, I'm going to copy this and run this command in the terminal. Okay, so here we go with it. Admin test. Currently it's admin 123. Okay, so rewrite the existing configuration from the backend. Yes, so it's all updated. Let's check. It's currently admin 123. It should not be working. It's not working. Let's add our code admin test. We have added now admin underscore test. You can see that it's working. See, so it is successfully done via the Magento 2 CLI command also. So you can also do that. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.